Okay, now let's try another example. Okay, this time, give the smallest angle naman. Smallest angle in each triangle. First, name the given triangle. Anyone? Cleofe. Triangle. Complete your answer. Okay, very good. Triangle ISA. So now, given this triangle, let us complete the given table. Okay, first, identify the smallest or the shortest side. Yes, anak. So, ito, segment IS. So, segment IS is the shortest side. Now, what is the opposite of segment IS? Yes, Salamunding? Okay, very good. Angle A. Next, ano susunod sa segment IS? Garcia? Segment SA. Now, what is the opposite of segment SA? Yes, Aldovino? Okay, very good. Last one. What is the longest side? Yes, anak? Segment? Stand up? Okay, very good. Segment AR or segment IA. Equal lang yun, ha? Now, what is the opposite of segment AI or IA? Yes, Silva? Angle S. So, na-complete na natin yung table. Let us answer this. Arrange the given from longest to shortest side. Yes, anak? Followed by? Segment? And? Segment IS. Ito po yun. And then after that, arrange the given angles naman. From largest to smallest. Yes, anak? Okay, very good. Then after that, let's answer the given question. Give the smallest angle. So how to identify the smallest angle? Identify the shortest side. Ano yung shortest side natin? IS. Anong opposite niya? A. Therefore, angle A is the smallest angle. And that is the answer for that question. Do you understand na po? Now, another example. This time, given po tayo ng triangle. Okay, the name of the first triangle, we have triangle LJK. Okay. Order the angles from largest to smallest. Okay. So, ang given na measurement ay kay side, tama? I-arrange muna natin yung side bago natin masagot yung question. So, arrange the measure of the sides from largest, from longest to shortest. Okay. So, what is the longest side? Anyone? Yes, Soto? Segment? KJ or JK. They are equal. Another. Anong sumunod? Pababa na tayo. Salamunding? Okay, JL or LJ. They are equal. And the shortest side is, yes, anak? Segment LK. Na-identify na natin to. So, para na-identify natin yung arrangement ng angle from largest to smallest, identify natin yung opposite ng mga to. Opposite angle. Okay. Anong name ng triangle? Anong name ang anak ng triangle? Triangle? LKJ. Okay. Para malaman yung opposite, anong nagamit na letters na? KJ. Anong natira? Okay. Angle L na to. Okay. Next. Anong letter yung ginamit dito? LJ. Anong natira? Okay. Angle K. And then LK? Okay, angle J. So therefore, this is the answer. So the angles arranged from largest to smallest, we have angle L, followed by angle K, and angle J. Do you understand po? Okay, na proceed tayo anak sa number 2. Okay, to arrange the given, same sa number 1, from largest to smallest, arrange muna natin yung sides from longest to shortest. Now, based on the given, I have here triangle LKM or KLM. Kahit ano po yan, ha? Okay, now, identify, anak, the longest. What is the longest side of triangle LKM? Yes, anak. Segment LM. Very good. Segment LM. The second one is? Yes, anak. Anong segment yon? Stand up. Okay, we have segment LK. And the next one is? Yes, anak. Segment KM. Now, opposite na tayo, ha? Opposite. Na-arrange na natin yung sides. So, punta na tayo sa angle. Okay, what is the opposite angle of segment LM? Angle K. This is angle M and angle L. So, ito po yung answer natin. Angle K, angle M, and angle L.